Combine your passion for math and finance with your passion for people at the University of Missouri College of Agriculture, Food and Natural Resources Personal Financial Planning degree program. Students in the nation's 4th-ranked Personal Financial Planning degree program will receive the tools and skills they need to serve the financial planning needs of individuals rather than just large businesses. The CAFNR Personal Financial Planning program prepares students to become certified in a variety of financial careers, including Certified Financial Planner, Certified Retirement Counselor, or Certified Retirement Administrator. These certifications prepare students to join sectors of the financial industry that are focused on helping people and are hungry for young talent to join the workforce. Learn about personal and family finance, financial counseling, tax planning, community agency and volunteerism, estate planning, and use your decision-making, risk assessment, and financial skills to help real people reach their financial goals.